Okay, in our last video, we had a look at the strategy section in our corporate prep suite. Okay, now we're going to dive into just some other kind of things, more so tips, tips kind of stuff, tips and advice. So here we're going to have a look at basic court etiquette and procedural guide. Okay, so what to wear in court. Okay, but remember, the most important thing is that you feel comfortable and confident. Courts understand that not everyone has a big suit, with ties and all of that kind of stuff, and that's okay. Okay, and we have some basic information. Okay, what are some good options? What to try avoid. Essential rules in court. Okay, so when you're physically in the court. Okay, etc. Some tips. We have some legal terminology. Again, this is all focused and based around taking the intimidation factor out of it. The more you understand, the more you know about the court. That's your kind of secret power. That's what kind of gives you that element. It mitigates some of the fear, let's say, within that environment. So here we can see what basic terminology, that's commonly used in the court, and kind of in layman's terms what they mean. Down here we'll have a typical court procedure. So this will outline basically kind of what happens. Generally, it's not every course, but not every court case, but generally, this is the kind of format and what's going to take place and what's going to go on throughout the court case. And at the end, we have some important contacts and information. Just as to finish up this video, we're going to have a look here at our stress management as well. Okay, again, it's about looking after you and your own well-being. Okay, like what I always say to students is, who's been on a plane? If the gas mask or the oxygen mask comes down the plane, do you put it on you or do you put it on the child first? You put it on you first, because if you don't help yourself, you're no good to help that child. Okay, same thing when we come to court. Okay, our stress management and confidence. Okay, here's some basic exercises, breathing exercises, etc., to help just to manage stress. Okay, some kind of mental preparation the night before, leading up to court, during court, if you feel overwhelmed throughout the court process, and obviously some support resources that we'll look at later on. So this is our court etiquette and stress management section of our court preparation suite in Just In Case Pro.